I don't know what it is, but you don't know what's going to happen in my kitchen ever. We're making a Neiman Marcus casserole. I have never made one before, and I've always wanted to try it. And I thought, you know what? It's a rainy day. I don't have a whole lot to do today. So I said, today's the day. Now I have a roasted chicken here that I got from Walmart, and I need 4 cups of chicken already cut up. So I'm just going to debone this. Okay, so we have 4 cups of chicken, and that was that one chicken that is deboned. Make sure there's no bones in it or anything like that. So now we're going to prep the rest of our ingredients. We've got our chicken. Okay, now we have 1 can of cream and chicken soup. My dog smells that chicken and wants it real bad. Okay, so we got that in our bowl. Okay, now we need 1 cup of sour cream. Just going to mix it right in. 8 ounces. Okay, we need 1/2 cup of green onion. And I have already washed this, and so I'm just going to cut it up to 1/2 cup. And I'm just going to kind of chop it up a little bit. Have you ever had a recipe you wanted to try and you put it off and you put it off? Well, I'm 60. I'm not going to put it off anymore. Okay, so we need 1/2 cup of green onion. Just throw it right in. Okay, now we need 1/2 cup of slivered almonds. And I just bought these at Walmart. So 1/2 cup, put it right in. Now, I have never tried this. I've never heard of any recipe with slivered almonds in it. So I'm excited to try this recipe. Okay, the recipe calls for 1½ teaspoons of hot sauce. I'm using Tabasco, and it says it does not make it hot. It just brings out the flavor of everything. So we're going to give it a shot. Okay, I think that's 1½ teaspoons. I just didn't think about this recipe until I woke up this morning, and it was kind of rainy, and I said, you know what, I'm going to make that recipe. We need 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. We're going to put it right in. I'm going to mix it around. Okay, now we're going to put in our 4 cups of shredded chicken. Wow. This smells really good. I'm using bacon crumbles for this. So we need 1 cup of bacon crumbles. And this is real bacon. I got it at Costco. I'm going to put in about 1 cup of bacon crumbles. Okay, we'll make sure this is all stirred and everything is really incorporated good. And now we're going to get out our casserole dish. Okay, I have a 9 by 13 casserole dish. We're just going to spray it. And we're going to get it in. I can't wait to try this. It smells amazing. Okay, so we're going to set our casserole to the side. And we are going to put in a stick of butter. We're going to melt it in the microwave in this bowl. And then we're going to put this sleeve of Ritz crackers in the butter. Okay, I'm just going to start lightly beating up my Ritz crackers. Our butter is all melted and our crackers are all crumbled or crushed. I'm just going to make sure as we put them in. And kind of mix it up a little bit. Just kind of mash it down too. Soaks up all that butter. Okay. Now we're just going to take it and start putting it right on top. Okay, so we have our casserole ready to go in the oven, and you know I'm going to put it on a sheet pan. Okay, so I put my casserole dish on a sheet pan because we don't like the bottom to get too dark. And I'm going to put this in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes, and we're going to be eating a Neiman Marcus chicken casserole. Okay, our Neiman Marcus casserole is ready. I left it in there for 45 minutes. I can't wait to try it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Look at that. Look at the bottom. It's not burnt. That is gorgeous. Wow. We're going to let it cool, and then we're going to dive in. Okay, while our casserole is cooling, I'm going to go ahead and slice up some tomato to go with it. My husband loves fresh tomatoes, so I'm going to slice them up some to go with our casserole. And add some cucumbers. I always do that in the summertime. Oh, tomato. Look at that. It smells so good. Some sliced cucumber cut up. I'm just going to take some, and I've already peppered them. I haven't salted them because salt draws out the water in the cucumber. So I just pepper them. And then we salt them right before we eat them. And that's our side dish with our Neiman Marcus casserole. In the South, in the summer, these are always on the table because your garden or people have given you so much, so you always have cucumbers and tomatoes. So you just put them on the table and they get eaten. Okay, we are going to try this wonderful casserole. Now, I hope it's wonderful. I have never tried one. I have never made one. And I have seen it over and over again. And so I made it just like the recipe calls for. I didn't take anything out, change anything, because I want to taste the original one. And then afterwards, I could always go and tweak it if I need to. But I wanted to see what the original tasted like. Okay, my little dog's in here. She thinks she's going to get some of it. My goodness, it smells amazing. Let's give it a try. I want to taste what the almonds taste like. I don't like it. I don't like it. It tastes terrible. believe it. I will never make this again. This is terrible. Well, I've always wanted to try it. I'm going to give it one more try. Maybe I'm missing something. I don't like the almonds in it. I don't like that texture. I don't like the cream of chicken soup in it. I think it makes it too salty. I feel like I wasted a whole chicken. I don't like it. So what, it always looks so good to me and it looks delicious, but I don't even want to try it anymore. It's just not my cup of tea. Now I'm gonna let my husband taste it, but I'm not gonna tell him that I don't like it. All right, my husband's gonna come in here and he's gonna taste it. Tell me what you think.
Oh, wow.
You like it?
I do.
I can't stand it. I think it's disgusting.
Why'd you set me up? I love it, though.
Do you really?
I do.
I don't like there's almonds in it. I don't like it.
I do. I didn't taste the almonds until you told me.
Really?
Yeah.
You really like
Yeah.
it? Well,
Can I have this a little bit?
yeah, that's what you're having for supper.
Oh, all right.
And there's just some veggies.
Oh, I love the veggies.
Okay.
I prefer the veggies.
Okay.
I
Do you really
this.
like it?
I really do.
He really likes it.
And I don't like nuts.
He don't like nuts, but he likes that. Oh my gosh. I make my husband some TV dinners and he can eat this. It's just not for me. I'll be honest with you. You can make it if you like almonds. It's up to you. You can follow the recipe and make the Neiman Marcus casserole if you would like, just to see if you like it. And I did not change up this recipe. I wouldn't even make it again. I wouldn't even try, personally. I won't even try to adjust it at all. I just won't make it again. It's just not for me. I just want to say thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me in my kitchen. You guys are the best. I just can't believe that I'm doing a YouTube channel and that you guys are a part of my channel. I am so blessed. Thank you so much. You guys go, tell me what you think of the Neiman Marcus casserole. Honestly, if you make it and you think it's delicious, let me know. If you make it, or if you have made it and you loved it, or if you've made it and you hated it, let me know. But you guys go, have a wonderful, wonderful day.